Welcome to Virtual Reality Business Intelligence VRBI. This is part 2 of the discussion of the input file. We start with the graph we already showed, a true three-dimensional graph with balls floating in space, balls of different colors, different sizes with labels in front of them. This is where we got and what the generator is able to construct from a simple input file. Now this is the input file. We already discussed the x, y and z coordinates, the first three values on each line, the size of the ball and the color of the ball with a color code like G, B, R for green, blue, red. Read the manual for all color codes. And after the color code we are able to add a label. Here it's simply label. It might be 3 or even a number like 5. Word, we call it label here. But it's important if you omit the color code, and that's possible. The color code is not obligatory. Do not add a label after the size of the ball, because the label would be interpreted as a color code and the ball would become the default color white, since it is not a real color code word. So add an extra comma with nothing in between, showing there is no color code. It's also possible to use a code the generator doesn't know, like X. This also leads to the default color, and then add a label. But the color code and label might be omitted, so you do not need to fill the line completely out. X, Y and Z coordinate and the size of the ball will do. And if you need more, you add a color code or a color code and even a label.